Payment providers. In this lecture, we will talk about payment providers. And click on payment providers. Okay, there we go. Okay, wait. Okay, this is your custom checkout. People can check out with PayPal Express. And yeah, that's the default mode. So your store accepts PayPal payments with PayPal Express checkout. So I'm gonna click on this button, this edit button right over here. And let's edit it. Click on edit. And I will accept credit cards. So you can select your provider. Stripe is really popular in my country. Everyone uses Stripe. I don't know what it is for your country, but feel free to look around a little bit. So you can choose for different payments checkouts. So that's great. So okay. And you can also, I select Stripe right now. And I will wait. Okay, once we are there, I want to show you that you can also select Amazon Pay by clicking on the Activate button. And you can also select alternative payments like BitPay or GoCoin. Okay, don't worry if you don't know what it is. I'm going to explain everything step by step. So in the next lecture, we will go to the next step. Okay.